Hello friends, in front of me Miss Anuradha Pathak is sitting, and how should I introduce her? I have no words. She scored highest marks in SFM in all her paper, and
Yes,
definitely she is one of the students who had done a real hard work, who had a courage to face the exam in pandemic time also. She managed to study, and now she had scored such a good marks in SFM, and her group is cleared, and it's a very great achievement. Not only she is taking classes from me, her sister and her brother had also taken classes from me. Her brother scored 89 marks in inter exam, and he is also preparing for final, and definitely I am sure that they are an intelligent family and they will definitely secure very good marks in future exams also. So, Anuradha, I just want to ask you what you did extraordinary in SFM that you scored such a good marks. You must have prepared well, you must have that confidence, you must have the liking of practical paper. You have all the
yes, sir.
positive things about SFM. So please tell me point wise what are the points which had went in favor for you for SFM subject. So please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I would like to say thank you, sir, for everything. I mean, your classes, your notebook, your notes, that were all amazing. And especially, I would like to say my friends that in SFM especially, I didn't refer any other material except Adijan sir books and notebooks. I didn't refer, study material or say past papers, because I know that sir has covered all the past exam papers, question papers, and RTPs, everything. I just go for only for my attempt RTPs that I got through ICI, and I just revised the sir material. I think approx 5 times I have revised it. So especially one thing that I noticed that it is important to clear C exams is consistency. Consistency means you have to give your time to your study on daily basis. Means around 8 to 9 hours I try to give to for my CA exams on daily basis. So I was able to clear it. Consistency, and other thing is self confidence. Yes, that I can do it. Sir, 5 line that sir always said to say to yourself that in the morning when you get up, that I can do it. I will do it. God is with me. I'm gonna to give my 100%, and I'm gonna to make my family and teachers proud.
Very
I
good, very
used
good.
to say these 5 lines to me on daily basis, and I also asked my younger siblings to to have it daily on a daily basis, because it helped me a lot. Seriously, sir. Matlab, through you, I got to know about the positive things and negative things. Matlab, we have knowledge, and we have that these are types of things that attracts each other, positive and negative thoughts. But I didn't realize it in on personal basis in my life. But this CA final exams make me realize that these are positive things, these are negative things that I need to have positivity in my life. How can I have it? What I should use in my life? What things that I should ignore in my life. That especially your guidance. Your one more thing that I want to say is आपके book में जो notes होता है, जो quotes that are written on the bottom of the lines, questions lines, means whenever we are revising the SFM, we are just just कि ठीक चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, and I used to
You like the
turn the
quotes which I
pages and
used
read
to
that quotes.
you like the quote which I
Especially,
used to give in the
yes sir,
books.
yes sir, yes sir,
Very good.
yes sir,
So
yes
you
sir.
like the
I read.
motivation part of
I
the
used
class,
to.
you like the practical part of the class,
Yes
you
sir.
like the conceptual part of the
Yes
class.
sir. Yes
You
sir.
didn't refer any other material.
Yes sir.
You revised my material 3 to 4
Yes
times,
sir.
and there is your result. You
Yes
scored
sir.
highest marks in SFM among all the 4 papers.
Yes sir.
So Anuradha,
Yes sir.
I have no words. You are really a true inspiration for all of us. Definitely in future you will achieve a
Thank you,
lot.
sir.
I am just requesting you to be in touch, to let me know your achievement, because I will be very happy to
Absolutely, sir.
introduce you again to the world
Absolutely.
and let other know that she is my student, she had done so well, it is proud for me. You are making your parents proud, you are making your teachers proud.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anuradha. Thank you for nice uh, speech and nice motivational sayings that you can do anything if you are positive. So you should avoid negativity
Yes,
from
sir.
your life,
Especially, sir.
and you need to
Yes,
concentrate on
sir.
your positive aspects.
Yeah, yes, sir. Especially, sir.
Thank you,
Especially in
Anuradha.
CA exams, we need to
Yeah,
have it,
in
sir.
CA exam, positivity is must.
Especially. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Anuradha. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure to talk to you, sir.
Yeah, it's my pleasure also.
Thank you
So,
so much, sir.